for another video, and today we are checking out all the Christmas presents, but I'm opening this one. So first we have this from the Star Wars The Force Awakens, only at Toys R Us. Marshmallows. This is all I got from the stocking. Well, you can't see my hockey cards, but drawing, stickers, just stickers, tin can robot, socks, and a map. I'm not going to show you the map. And more presents. And minion, stamp, and 2 big gummy bears. And I ate this one. And then here we come to the real gun. So this gun is named X-Shot Zombie Hunter, and then shoots up to 55 feet. And it probably shoots up to 30. You probably seen my green one at home. That one shoots up to like 30 feet. But this one probably shoots up longer because it's a new gun. So darts, cans, disc. Alright, you can see. This is the back of the gun. And then I know how to work these. So see you guys. So here we are back, guys. So I got the blaster out. So 12 darts. This is how you shoot it. So trigger there. You pull this black thing back, let go, then shoot. Yeah. You think it shoots 2 darts, but that's it for real close. So let's see if it has slam fire. Just if you don't know what slam fire is, hold down the trigger and go. It looks like so these are the zombie can. I think I know how to put them on. So you just do that, I think. Do that. Then I'm going to cut the video because this is hard. So here I'm done. So that's done. I forgot to get these discs out. So this is how you load these discs. See this? You open it. Then you put one down, another one, and one more. You can only fit 4 in there, and then there's 4 more to fit in, so you get 8 shots with it, and then you just hook down. So when you want to fire, when you cock this, it shoots too. So and this is how you shoot that. The same thing. You just cock it back, shoot. So if you cock it back and you shoot, it shoots both of them. So that's the cool part about this. So this is how you look. You want to flip it down like that, and then now you get a barrel like that, and now you get multi-fire. It looks so cool like that. I know what they would have do if they could. They could like put air pumps here, so if you cock it back, it will fire a dart here, and it will fire a dart here, so it'll go insane. So you just load. So I'm going to load these up and see you when I'm done. Our dart's loaded. our dog starts loaded. So I set up the thing right there. You can see. Well, you can't see. So now I'm gonna show you. So right here, if you can see them. So, one. So they're, yeah, you can't really see them. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to shoot them down. So here you can see them. So here it's going to shoot down. So need some books. Now you're going to see if it shoots down. So it goes. One shot. Two for two. I mean 3 for 3. So that's about it for this video. Bye.